Hello unique device, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make this men's cap using Isiago material. Yes, you can use any material to achieve this design. And please, if you find this video useful, don't hesitate to click the like button. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so for this particular tutorial I'll be using this non-stretchy Isiago material. Both sides are not stretchy at all, and the measurement I used for this cap is 23 inches length by 6 inches width. 23 inches length by 6 inches width. And the next material I'm working with is called a carry board. And the length measures 23.5 inches length by 3 inches width. 23.5 inches length by 3 inches width. This is not cardboard, it's a hard material. It can be gotten from bag makers or shoemakers shop. So we call it carry board in my area, but some people call it mako. So next thing I'll be doing is to form a head circumference for the cap base. So just take your chalk and mark 1 inch. 1 inch. You're going to mark it both the inside and outside. So watch what I'm doing. The essence of marking 1 inch is to enable you know where you stop rubbing your gum. So I'll be measuring it round. Just measure it round to ensure that I get 22.5. The owner of this cap, my client, the head circumference is 22.5. So that's why I'm working with the measurement 22.5. So because this measures 23.5, I will be taking out just 1 inch and it will give me 22.5. So inside the carry board, I also mark 1 inch.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want.
If you watch closely, you see that I use my biro to mark it out in order to give me a clearer view. So this will help me to know where to stop rubbing my gum. Yes, try just to rub your gum at that 1 inch part.
Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders now.
Once I'm done with that, I'll set it aside to allow it dry very well before joining it together. Then for the material, I folded it, making the wrong side to face me. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew down. The carry board is dried. The gum has dried well. So what I'll be doing now is to join the edges together. Just watch what I'm doing. You get every step.
We ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a.
Alright, I'm done sewing and you can see that the carry board is ready. So next thing I'll be doing is to place the part I sew so it will line with the part I joined on the carry board. Don't know if you get me. So I'll fix it and cover the carry board with the material. Just watch and you pick every step.
Promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Alright, Alright, I'm done wrapping the carry board with the fabric. Next thing I'll be doing now is to rub my Evo gum round the carry board. Please don't forget to pay close attention and you'll get everything very well.
Flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she still learning.
I'm done rubbing the gum inside the carry board. Next thing I'll be doing now is to drag down the fabric. Please make sure that the edges are neatly done. This is where you do a good finishing. Make sure that while dragging down your fabric, you ensure that it is neatly stretched out. So I'm done doing mine. Next thing is to cut out my mako. This black stuff you're seeing is called mako. So I placed my cap on top of the mako and I'm forming the oval shape. If you want it to be round, you don't need to fold it. But I want an oval shape. I don't want the cap to be round.
The same, I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity?
The next material we'll be cutting out is this foam, and the foam measures 1/2 inch. We have 1/4 inch foam, but this is 1/2 inch foam. So I'll be using that pattern we cut out from mako. I'll place it on top of this foam and also cut it out.
I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different.
Another thing I did was to place this pattern on top of the fabric and I cut it out. Though I didn't cut out the exact size of the mako, I had to add like 1/2 inch allowance while doing the cutting. So I'll be joining this mako to the foam by rubbing my gum.
Disability, so do better. Work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never, and turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Alright, I'm done joining the mako, the foam with the material together, and I want to place it on top of the cap, and I want this lion's face to be the front part. So what I'll be doing now is to place the foam on top. Don't know if you get me, so I'll be doing it this method.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a...
Right, I'm done adjusting and I've gotten what I want. So next thing to do is to use my gum to hold the top part down to the cap. Don't know if you get me. So I'll be placing this design, this yori design. I don't know what it's called in your area, but I call it yori material. So I'll be placing it at the right side of the cap. And this is the way I will insert it down to the cap base. Alright, after doing that, I'll be using my gum to hold everything down. So from this part, watch closely how I do my finished work.
Good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a 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 good day.
Yeah.
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation.
Okay, right now I'm done gumming down the top part to the main cap. So our cap is almost finished. If you watch it, you know it's remaining just the covering. So I'll be using my lining to cover it. Yes. So just place your cap on top of the lining and just give like half-inch allowance. Yes. Half-inch allowance and mark it out. Then use your scissors to cut it out.
I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect great.
Alright, before rubbing the gum, I placed the lining inside the cap to make sure that it fits in. So at this point, you can use your glue gun and your candle gum to rub it inside. But because there's power failure in my area, I'm using same gum. So I'm just showing you that as an option if you have your glue gun. So I'm rubbing my gum. Then after doing that, I allow it to dry small. Then place the lining inside there in order to cover up the rough parts.
Just do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Then once I'm done wrapping it up, I'll be rubbing my gum again at the top part of the lining. That will help the lining to hold to the cap base.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you.
And finally, I'll be using my elastic to cover the edge of the lining. This elastic measures 1 inch. You can use your Pitasham ribbon here, but I'm using my elastic to do that. You can also use your candle gum to rub it, but I used the Evo gum here. Alright? Don't forget to wrap around. And don't make your gum to be seen. Don't dirty your work with your gum. This needs extra carefulness. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you find this tutorial very useful, why not hit the like button? Also, don't fail to subscribe to my channel. For the old subscribers that returned, you guys are MVP. And for the new members, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Thank you.